In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a customization. Once you've added everything you want to customize into your basket and clicked Customize, you'll be taken to our easy to use customization tool, which can be seen here. In the top, you can see all of the items which have been added into your basket. And to start the customization process, click onto one of these garments and then click Add Customization. You can choose your customization to either be a logo or an image, or type text. I'm going to select logo/image for this example. You can choose to have your customization to be applied via embroidery or print. Print is where a logo is applied to a garment using ink or vinyl, and is particularly popular for large designs on t-shirts, for example. And embroidery is where we stitch the logo with thread, and it is popular for workwear and uniforms, or heavier garments like coats or jackets. I'm going to select embroidery for this example. Here you can see the different positions in which the customization can be applied on the garment. Here are all the positions on the front of the garment, here are the positions on the back of the garment, and here are the positions for the sleeve of the garment. For this example, I'm going to choose the most popular left chest. Once you're happy with the positioning, click Next Stage. The fourth stage of the customization process is to upload your image. Here you can see the different file types which are accepted. I'm going to go and upload my image. Now the image has been uploaded. You can further customize the image by rotating left or rotating right. Additionally, you can use the crop tool here. If you want to change your image, click on Upload Image and the image will be replaced. Also, you can see in the top right hand corner there is a preview of the garment with the image applied. Once you're happy with the image you have uploaded, click Save Image. The next stage of the customization process is to adjust the width of the customization. To decrease the size of the customization, move the slider to the left, and to increase the size of the customization, move the slider to the right. As you can see, the preview updates accordingly. Also, I have the Remove Background option checked, and this can be seen in the customization preview here. Also, make sure to give the customization a name. I'm going to call my customization Lighthouse. We ask you give the customization a name so you can easily recognize when the design is saved to your library. Once you're happy with the width of the customization, select Save and Preview. Now you can see the customization has been applied to your garment. To apply the same customization to the remaining items in your basket, click on the item at the top here, click Add this customization, and then select it into the same position, left chest. And I'm going to do this for the final item in the basket, Add customization, left chest. Once you are happy with the previews of your garments, please proceed to checkout.